This tutorial explains how to create a new project in Orangescrum from start to finish. You will learn to set up project details, assign roles, and configure essential settings for effective project management. Click the Start for Free button again to proceed to the registration page. Click the Email field to enter your email address for account registration. Enter your email address to create your Orangescrum account. Enter your password to secure your Orangescrum account. Click the Save button to save your password and continue. Switch to your project subdomain to access your Orangescrum workspace. Click the Add Project button to start creating a new project. Click the Project Name field to specify your new project's name. Enter your project name to identify it within Orangescrum. Click the Short Name field to provide an abbreviated project identifier. Click the Priority dropdown to select the project's priority level. Select the High Priority level to indicate the project's urgency. Click the Simple Project Type to define the project's methodology. Click the Scrum Project Type to apply Agile Project Management. Click the Default Status Workflow to set the project's task flow. Click the Bug Tracking Workflow to enable issue tracking. Click the Default Status Workflow again to confirm workflow selection. Click the Default Status Workflow once more to finalize workflow choice. Click Additional Settings to configure project-specific options. Click Additional Settings again to access more configuration options. Enter your project code to uniquely identify the project. Click More Settings to continue configuring project details. Enter a secondary project code for further identification. Click the Email field to assign contact information. Click the Expand icon to view more options in the drop-down menu. Click the Project Plan drop-down to select a plan for your project. Click the Default Task Type drop-down to choose task categories. Select the Development Task Type to categorize project tasks. Click the Type drop-down to specify task types. Click the Estimated Hours field once more to confirm input readiness. Enter the estimated hours to allocate time for project tasks. Click the Start Date field to set the project start date. Select the start date for your project timeline. Click the End Date field to set the project completion date. Select the end date to define the project deadline. Click the Project Manager drop-down to assign a manager. Click the Customer field to assign a client to the project. Click the Customer drop-down to view available clients. Click the Budget field to input the project budget. Click the Budget field again to ensure it is active. Click the Cost field to input cost details. Enter the cost value related to the project expenses. Click the Approved Cost field again to confirm input. Enter the approved cost amount for the project. Click the Status drop-down to set the current project status. Click Additional Options to access more project settings. Click the Industry drop-down to specify the project's industry. Select the industry category relevant to your project. Click the Users section once more to confirm user settings.